Stress, and more stress. Emotions bring so much stress. It's the makeups, it's the breakups, it's the baby mama drama, the codependency, the co-parenting, the negativity, everything going on in the news, other people putting their problems and their issues on you, other people blaming you for everything, you blaming people for everything. There is so much stress that emotions can cause. So this week, I will be doing a series on navigating emotional stress. I'm going live every day this week, starting Tuesday until Sunday. And I'll be live around 1:30 on Facebook. And then I'm going to share my videos on YouTube as well. And I'm just going to be talking about how we can begin to navigate all this emotional stress. We are going to talk about a couple of different things. Tomorrow actually will be my first topic, and I'm going to jump right into why it is so difficult for you to acknowledge what you're truly feeling. So join me every day this week around 1:30. I'll be talking and diving into how we can navigate emotional stress. So how has everybody been? I know I have been going through this tornado. I live in Florida, and if you guys, I know you guys have seen my Facebook, so I posted some photos there. Listen, y'all, I was not ready for that tornado. I really, truly underestimated what was going on. I mean, I really don't watch the news that much, so I didn't really know exactly what was going on. But, hurricane season comes every year, so, it's one of those things where it's just like you kind of just let it, pass by, do what it does, and, kind of live your life. So I think Friday is when it started. Friday. Yeah, about Friday, right? So I'm in my bed, and it was probably about, I want to say 5 o'clock in the morning. And I'm like, I don't know how, somehow, it had to be really powerful, because other people that I know woke up around the same time. And I was just like, I could hear something outside, but I was like, damn, that sounds really bad. Like whatever was out there just sounded really, really bad. And I knew it had to be serious, because like I could literally see the lightning coming through my windows, and it was like pitch black dark. So I'm like, okay, this sounds real serious. And I just heard this loud thump. So, I still didn't think nothing of it, because I'm like, this is Florida. We get weather, hurricane season every year. So lo and behold, I get outside, take my little self outside the door. I'm ready to go to Starbucks so I can get some work done. And literally, I had to stop right in the road, because the trees were literally in the middle of the road. Like the lamp poles were down, trees were all over the place. And these weren't small trees. These weren't like little tiny branches. These were like big, giant, heavy logs that were like falling on the floor. And I'm like, oh my God. So I mean, it was just crazy. I mean, they had to shut down roads. They had police cars everywhere. So many stores had shut down that Friday, and I didn't have power for like 3 whole days. So, that's kind of where I was. I was, tending to my life here in Florida, but everything is getting better now. So we'll be doing this series on emotional stress, and I hope that you guys join me, because I will be here every day this week. So I'll see you guys soon.